What's up guys, Mixed by Jocelyn here, back for another video of Mixed Up, and today I've got something special for you. We're going to be talking about my favorite clipper in the game, the Gold Clip by Suave Digital, and its brand new update and the new plugin it's released alongside Gold Clip Track. Let's get started. Boom! Okay, cool. So as I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about the Gold Clip, and in particular, its new update, Gold Clip Track, because it's now not just called Gold Clips, it's called Gold Pack, because it's offering 2 plugins in one. And if you are already an owner of Gold Clip, you get this totally for free. And then when you buy Gold Clip now, you'll get both plugins included, which is great. But more on that later and why he's done that. So if you're not familiar with Gold Clip, and if you're into using clippers, I don't know where you've been, maybe under a rock. But
have you been living under a rock?
Oh yeah. Because this is the bad boy clipper at the moment. This is it here, this is the interface. It's emulated on an old piece of hardware, if you know, you know. But it sounds amazing, and it's doing a lot more than just a normal clipper. It's pulling out harmonics. It's got this drive function. You've got this gold section here, which is pulling out certain things. Really, really, really powerful clipper. And especially, you know, I put it on my master bus. If I want an extra like 2-3 dB, boom, I've got it. Still sounds dynamic, still sounds big, still sounds amazing. So that's one of my favorite things about it. It's made by Ryan Schwab, who's a good friend of mine, and he makes amazing stuff, and he is an amazing master engineer, so you know you can trust what he is putting out as well. But this is the clipper itself. I mean, I've got this tune here, Shop, which I'll have linked below. It's a mix that I did, but I've put it on the master bus. And let's have a quick listen to what Gold Clip is doing on the master bus to this. So first, let's use the Ryan Schwab mastering preset.
Yo, used to link boss man for a quick pick and mix. It was
pull the ceiling down.
Never come up on a family of fortunes, but we still bought 3 and so forth, and worked on to Piers man skin like Morgan. But we stayed on the outside brawling. Summer's over, I got the air and I was cooling. Rally so cause I'm on the ball, literally. If you see me running through on the goal, then just kick it to me. Rainbow flicking the G, the way I finish beats ever so heavily. My brother's moving with, don't need your jealousy. And this baddie keep on calling my phone, but I told her I'm paving my own legacy. Ain't got the time, so I freeball the G's. Ease, all of my Eeps, young one and free, we walk through the street, eats. If she feel hungry,
So you can see straight away there, that clipper is acting, it's very soft, it's not creating too much crunch or too much distortion, which obviously I don't really want on my master output, only a little bit, but it's definitely giving me that volume and that push that we need, that maybe then we can run into a limiter, XYZ, because this lives in my chain. Normally, my chain, just for you guys, but maybe I'll do another video on it, breaking it down. At the moment, it's kind of like Shadow Hills, Gold Clip. Sometimes I'll use Black Box with some Soothe 2, and then going into the God Particle and a blend of that, and that's getting me like some really, really good results at the moment. So it's on most of my master outputs, this Gold Clip, and it sounds amazing. But one of the things that people started doing, including myself, was using it on individual tracks, like my kick, my 808, and really forcing it and getting, you know, even using it as like a distortion plugin sometimes, and getting some amazing results out of it, and helping really like cut through my kicks and get big sound in 808s. But because of this is such a powerful plugin, it is quite CPU intensive. And, you know, you start to like, your computer's basically panicking once you've got a few instances of this on your project. So Ryan's done what no plugin guys I've never known them to do, but he's released another version of Gold Clip, which is a stripped down version of it for your channel strips that is a lot less CPU intensive. It's a bit of a stripped down version. You don't have all of the features, but it's giving you that same clipper feel, and it's giving you that same gold drive that the original Gold Clip had. So this is called Gold Clip Track, and as you can see, yeah, it's a stripped down version. So I've put this on my kick now, and let's have a listen and see what we can get out of the kick.
yo, used to link boss man for a quick pick and mix. It was
Pull the
with
ceiling
portions,
down a
never
bit.
come up on a family
this
of
drive.
fortunes, but we still
some
bought 3 and
clipping
so
active.
forth, and weren't known to Piers man skin like Morgan. But we stayed on the outside brawling. Summer's over, I got the air and I was cooling. Rally so cause I'm on the ball, literally. If you see me running through on the goal, then just kick it to me. Rainbow flicking the G.
And then we can even unlink these, so then we can drive up our output even more if you wanted to get even more gain out of it. And then we can have, if it's like you've got that really nice clip feel that you want and it's punching through the mix, then we can even dial it back via this mix dial here and get a blend of the two, so we still get some of that original unclipped sound in there.
Yo, used to link boss man for a quick pick and mix, it was liberal with portions. Never come up on a family of fortunes, but we still bought 3 and sold 4 of them. Weren't known to pierce man's skin like Morgan, but we stayed on the out.
So super nice. And then we have a few different versions of the clipper. So you got obviously classic, modern, and hard. These are going to give you different sounding clippers.
Yo, used to link boss man for a quick pick and mix, it was liberal with Porsche.
So it sounds really great. And you know, again, loving it on my kicks for sure. And obviously where it's a stripped down version, we can put as much of this clipper on now across our project as we want on individual projects. So another thing that I've been doing is adding it to my 808s and really driving it. So let's add it to this gold clip track. Obviously this isn't going to be what this original mix was, but you know, you're going to get a good idea. So there's a preset on here that he's made, this 808 distortion. And let's have a listen to this, what it sounds like on the 808.
Yo, used to link boss man for a P-E-Eeps, young one and free, E-E. We walk through the street, E-Eats. If she feel hungry, I give her a meal like bon appetit, E-E. Roll up your sleeve, E-Eves, and don't spill the tea, E-E. If you been with a G, yo, used to link boss man for a quick pick and mix, it was liberal with portions. Never come up on a family of fortunes.
So I've done quite an extreme version, so you can really hear the type of distortion that you're going to get and that clipper feel. But to me, it sounds great. Obviously, we'll blend it and make it work for the tune a bit more. But I have been doing this quite a lot and quite drastically on some of my tunes as well. So off, and then on. Sounds great. Obviously, we have it linked, so then we can even push it up, get more volume out of it if we unlink it.
Yo, used to link boss man for a quick pick and mix, it was liberal with portions. Never come up on a family of fortunes, but we still bought 3 and sold 4 of them. Weren't known to pierce man's skin like Morgan, but we stayed on the outside brawling. Summer's over, I got the ear and I was cool.
Let's just mute the vocals. Let's just solo the beat quickly. Full. Pull it back, mixed. Off. So you might want to dial that down a little bit. What I would tend to do is I'd pull down this clip here, pull up the ceiling. That's going to decrease the level of clip that you're actually getting. You can pull down some of these harmonics that it's adding. Make it a bit softer. But that sounds great. Like it's punching through. It's a really great clipper. And as I said, I'm using it a lot to really like boost up my 808s. And you know, we'll just copy and paste this and try this on this other. Let me take the saturation off of it. This other 808 that we've got here. Really nice. And it's such a warm sounding clip as well. Like, do you know what I mean? It sounds so warm, it sounds so rich, it sounds harmonic, and it's really bringing a lot of life. Doing it on some quite extreme settings, but that's just to show you its capability. But as just using it as sort of like normal clipping in itself, like what you would standardly use a clipper for, like getting a little bit more oomph and drive out of some of your kicks and your 808s, you know, it's great at doing that as well. But I've been using it and trying to use it in some more creative ways as well and just making the most of the plugin. So I absolutely love it. That is gold clip track. And then also, as I said at the beginning, we have the mothership here. We have the gold clip. So as you can see, the full version of Gold Clip and then the broken down version, less CPU power that you can span across all your tracks. Suave Digital are doing an amazing deal with this, obviously, where they're just giving this away as part of the update, which is crazy. I personally think he could have sold this as a totally separate plugin, as some plugin companies do, and I probably would have bought it. But the fact that he's just decided give back to the people that love Gold Clip and give them this version that everyone was asking for and hoping for, and give it to them for free, and then all new customers as well if you buy Gold Clip. It's a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant idea, and it's amazing that he's done it. So I felt like I had to come on here and make a video on it and talk to you guys about it and show it off a little bit. So for me personally, it's a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10 move. It's a 10 out of 10 plugin. I love it. I think it's brilliant, and I couldn't recommend it enough. In fact, when I first downloaded it, I phoned up my mate straight away and was like, bro, you got to download Gold Clip because it's fucking crazy. So yeah, totally brilliant plugin. Couldn't recommend it enough. If you go on his site right now, I believe at the time that this video is uploaded, he might still have his Black Friday deal on, so you might save some money as well. And also, he has a rent-to-buy scheme, so you can split up the cost of the plugin. I think it's over 10 months or something like that. So brilliant deal, super affordable, and it's gonna, it is a very, very good industry standard tool because the best are using this. Guys like Tizio, Baines, all these guys, they're all using Gold Clip, and that's how they're getting these big sounding mixes and the big sounding 808s and kicks and stuff like that. So try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe because we're releasing videos like this weekly and all different types of videos, like some vlogs and some podcasts as well, mixed opinions. If you haven't watched any of them yet, give it a go. And also, before I go as well, in the link below, there'll be my mix template for $19.99 and my recording template for $9.99. In my mix template, Gold Clip is there with some of the settings that I use. So if you wanted to support this channel and support me and get my mix template that I actually use and my recording template that I actually use, then click those links below and cop one today. It really does help. And I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Safe. Boom.